Hey loves, happy Friday. Today's video is an Amazon nail supply haul. I have nail art, nail tools, and gel polishes. These first three items in front are water decal sets. These are the TOFD 30 sheet butterfly nail decals, and they were $8.99. These are the Frankie 24 sheet flower nail decals, and they were $7.59. And this last pack is by McCute. It is their 8 sheet black nail decals for $6.99. Next up are the Goo Trades holographic mermaid nail glitters. And this is what they look like. You get a blue, purple, green, and an iridescent. And they're $7.76. I have the Iridescent 6-piece ceramic nail drill bit set, and these were $18.99. This is the La Rose 5-piece maple leaf nail glitter set. It was $6.99. This 24-box star nail glitter kit is by Ibanku, and it is $9.99. This is the Ad Favor 12 color iridescent flakes for $6.99. And it has so many pretty colors in it. This 6-piece nail foil is by Mind Gin, and it was $7.98. This 6-piece 3D butterfly set is by Calollary, and it was $6.99. And I like the packaging that it comes with. It's resealable. I really needed these. This 6-color nail brush set is by Kitty, and it was $5.99. Hold on, gotta flip the page. Okay, or tear the sheet out. Alright, next up is this 12-color heart glitter set by Ting Beauty. It was $8.99. This is another purchase that I was really, I was excited to order and receive everything, but I've really been looking forward to trying out the ombre nail art technique. So I purchased this Wokato 3-piece ombre brush kit for $8.99. More nail foils, but this one has like copper and then blue and gold flake in it too, and I really like this packaging. That's neat. This is the Blue 24-box nail foil set, and this was $8.99 as well. I really needed some more nail art pencils. These are by Gadgets Intrapot. It is their 10-piece wax pencil set. It was $8.18. And the last thing in my basket is the Love Our Home Iridescent Chunky Glitter Set. And this set was $9.99. So it comes with 3 12-box nail glitters. So the first one is this rainbow iridescent nail foil, or flakes, iridescent nail flakes. Then I have this hot pink different shape set. Got stars, hearts, circles, ooh, moons, flowers. Really pretty. And then I have this light pink one, and this has hot pink iridescent flakes and like some purple rhinestones up there. But the rest of it is this really pretty light pink color, and it has some of the same shapes, except this one has these really cute seashells in it. This kit also came with nail decals. It came with a pack of nail decals, and it also came with the tweezers. The last 3 items in my Amazon nail haul are these Beetles Perfect 6 gel polish sets. This is the pastel collection, and it was $15.99. The Rio Carnival collection was $13.99. And lastly, the Tropical Rainforest collection was $10.99. Thank you for stopping by to check out my Amazon haul. I love doing my nails, and I am always looking forward to my next set. And I have been finding some amazing products on Amazon. Do you like to do your own nails at home? If so, let me know in a comment down below. And until next time, bye loves!